Hey everyone, do you have pain here or here? We're going to go over 5 exercises that are going to help reduce discomfort and build support around the area. My name is Dawn and this is Sebastian. We work at Performance Place Sports Care.
Locally, world famous, Costa Mesa.
Awesome, and we're gonna get right into 2 exercises or stretches that are gonna help mobilize the area first. And then we're gonna finish off with 3 exercises that are gonna help solidify what that did and create some support around the area. So let's just get right into it. Sebastian, will you go on your hands and knees for me?
Hands and knees, okay.
And we're gonna actually, each person's a little different. Find the knee position that works best for you. Sometimes a little wider than the hips is the most comfortable for the groin. And he's gonna use his hands to push his butt back towards his heels and rock back up. He's gonna do this 10 times. One thing I want you to keep in mind is if you can't sit all the way back, that's totally fine. Each time, just meet the point of discomfort and come right out of it. Don't ever push past it. Maybe the more of these that you do, the less that you'll feel it and the further you'll be able to get back, okay? So once we reach 10 of these, we're gonna get up into a lunge position on the floor. Let's keep the painful side down. And Sebastian's gonna go elbows to the front of the knees, kind of like he is here, so that he's not extending through his spine backwards, okay? We're getting it strictly from the hip here. He's gonna glute squeeze on the left side and lunge forward 10 times. Again, each time we're doing an exercise, we wanna make sure that we're not feeling our point of discomfort the entire time. If we do feel it at all, we just meet it and come right out of it. And each time you could probably get a little further and a little further before you start to feel your pain. So we're doing 10 of these. You can switch to the non-problem side too. Not a problem there.
Yep, and if you guys like these exercises in this video, consider checking advantage of our webinar. It pops up in the corner over there. It's going to help you understand a little bit more about what to do going forward versus just only doing stretches and exercises that make your stuff possibly come back the next day. Let's get rid of it forever.
Awesome. So now that we've mobilized the area, we're going to solidify with surrounding structures. So go ahead and lay on your back for me, Seb. And you're going to go feet up, knees up in the air. Find a nice comfortable position and flat back here, and we're going to get the front wall to help support the groin. So let's have you go arms up in the air. Take a breath into your belly. And as you reach backward, blow up a balloon. We're going to do this 5 times just for video purposes and time. Ultimately, what I don't want is for the ribs here to rise to the ceiling as you're reaching overhead. The more that you keep these down in the back flat, the more we're going to feel the belly, the less we're going to feel the groin. So we're going to do about 10 of these. If you want to add a little weight into your hands with this, you absolutely can. So now let's take the feet to the ground, hip width apart, and let's do some glute bridges. Peel all the way up and all the way back down. Again, we're always looking at what is the belly doing right here. Too much of times do we see this, which plays a huge role in groin pain and what the hips are doing. They're overworking. Allow the belly and the glutes to help support here. So we're gonna do 10 reps of this. If we have resistance around the knees with the band, let's add that if you guys feel like it, okay? And last one is what we call a Copenhagen, okay? Let's go problem side up onto the bench here, okay? At first, let's use the down knee and the down elbow to push up into this position. Check in with the groin on top. How is it doing? If it's feeling okay, let's lift the knee and the support from here. Hold for 5 seconds. Slowly lower that knee back down and allow yourself here. We can add in a groin stretch to this one too. Nice little cherry on top. So let's push up and we find that hold. To get the stretch on the next one, let's bring that support knee back down, and I want you to slowly allow the inner thigh to stretch here to the bottom. Let's go one more time up. We hold for 5, an imaginary 5 for video purposes. Knee back down, slow and controlled, and feel that groin stretch on the way down. Okay, so 2 mobilization exercises, 3 that help support around the area of discomfort, and see how you feel after.
Yep, if you guys want help with your groin pain, remember in Costa Mesa, we do offer virtuals and in person. As you can see, Don's very good at coaching virtually just as so. So we've seen hundreds of groin pain cases. Check the link in the description below to contact us, and we'll see you guys next time.